Jupiter, Venus, and Mercury will form a bright cluster known as the dance of the planets. That's the poetry. The science is this. Astronomers say the three planets will all fit within a 5-degree circle in the sky. You'll be visible with handheld binoculars after sunset, even apparently in densely populated urban areas. To talk more about this planetary dance, we're joined now by astronomer Anita Kern. Thanks so much for being with us. Can you explain this once again what's going to happen? We're going to see, what, a third of the solar system off in the distance in one spot?
Well, you'll see 3 planets, and they're the 3 brightest ones that are up right now, Venus being the brightest of the 3, all in the same direction in the sky, as you mentioned just before sunset in the western, northwestern sky. So it'll be... it's not infrequent that this happens. It's happened before, maybe every 10 years or so.
What does it look like? Because we're all used to seeing stars in the sky. Are we going to see what look like 3 more stars, 3 just bright illuminated patches?
They'll be much brighter than the stars, all 3, and they'll form a little triangle. And you've been watching it, probably, some folks, since Friday. But if you held a golf ball at arm's length, that would cover all 3 of them Friday and Saturday night. But Sunday night, you could hold your thumb at arm's length, and that would cover all 3 of them.
So these are really going to be close together. They're going to be brighter than the stars that we normally see. Will we be able to tell them apart? I mean, Venus is reputed to be the most beautiful of the planets. That's why they named it after the goddess of beauty. Is Venus going to stand out? Is any one of them going to stand out?
Venus will probably be the first one you'll see because it's the brightest, and Jupiter the second brightest, and then Mercury. But you don't have long to look. You have to go out right after sunset. Now, if you have binoculars or a telescope, you might pick them up before the sun sets. They'll be kind of in that glare, but you don't want to point your binoculars toward the sun. But as the sun goes down, they'll become brighter and brighter against the contrasting sky behind.